Every user that needs MDM functionality requires a license. Intune is available and included in different subscriptions, including a standalone Intune license, Microsoft 365, and enterprise mobility and security subscriptions. There are also additional licensing that you can review by using the web page on screen. Let's review managing Intune licenses. We can do this within our Azure AD tenant. Let's take, for example, an office-based employee called Miriam, who's been asked if they can use their personal Windows 10 device to access corporate emails and apps whilst working from home. We're happy for them to do this. But before they try to enroll their device into Intune, we need to make sure that we've allocated them an Intune license in the Azure Active Directory Admin Center. On the left-hand side, I'll click Licenses under Manage. On the right-hand side, under the Quick Tasks, I'll click Manage Your Purchase Licenses, and here we can see a list of products. I want to select the Enterprise Mobility and Security License. Here we can see I have 14 assigned, 6 available, and 0 expiring soon. Here we can see our licensed users, and I can see that Miriam does not have an Intune license. Therefore, on the menu bar, I'll click Assign. Under Users and Groups, I'll search for Miriam. And then click Select. On the assignment options, I'll review the options. Here we can see I'm allocating all of the features of the E5 license, and I'll click OK. And then click Assign. I'll click Refresh. And we can see that Miriam has been added to the list of licensed users. If I return to Products, I can see that 15 licenses have now been assigned. Miriam will now be able to use their Azure AD account to log in to the company portal app on their device and start the auto-enrollment process into Intune.